Number 10, the interfering product owner. Some people cannot let go. They have a hard time about that, particularly understanding that once a product backlog item becomes a sprint product backlog item, they're no longer in charge of that. I mean, this is the basis of the whole deal. We agree on something we like to work on. We forecast that we will be able to deliver this, but in return, you're not changing anything. You're not extending the scope of the story, for example. Of course, you can change the sprint backlog if the team agrees. I mean, if a priority bug comes in, everyone is working on fixing that bug, no matter what the sprint backlog actually tells you. Let's adapt to a changeover following a plan. However, what's unacceptable is a product owner who is changing single-handedly the sprint backlog, for example, by extending the scope, adding additional acceptance criteria, or rewriting the user story. Some people like to sneak stuff in that way, and this really needs to be addressed as soon as possible. The only change the product owner has the prerogative to do during the sprint is basically canceling the sprint. So saying, okay, the sprint goal cannot be achieved. We will not provide any value to our customers. Let's stop this and start over and have a new sprint planning. So I suggest that you be pragmatic. Sometimes the scope needs to be reduced. For example, the team has to deal with missing team members or unexpected sick leaves. Probably have to do more refactoring that you were aware of because you ran into technical that was unexpected. And sometimes there's even room for doing more work. Whatever you do, see to it that it's not completely directed, managed by the product owner, but that this is a team decision.